Okay, so I'm trying to fix the polar bear and penguins, but I don't even know. I'm concerned about taking all his fur off so I can make them dance again, and I have to cut their backs, the penguins' backs, open, and so I could make them dance. I'm concerned about taking them all the way off. I did get them spinning again, but I'm just concerned. My concern is that I'm afraid I'll mess up on them. I I'm stuck on. I hate getting stuck on saying something like I'm just trying to get these guys to move it again. Comment in the section below and tell me what I should do. I did here. I got him spinning again.
Well, not before Christmas. Went out through the house. Now the creature was staring. You in a mouse. Well, singing a home by the chimney with hair. And hold the thing into this. Who would be there? Tell the one that's the dog tugging their beds.
Yep.
Visions of sugar plum danced in their head. And mama in her kerchief. And I'm not care.
Yeah, you can hear you can hear it buzzing. You hear I don't even know if it's kind of hard to get to the mechanism where he moves his mouth. All right, I'm gonna see what I can do, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll make a video of them once I can do the best I can. I'm gonna try my best. I promise. I'm gonna try to get them to moving.